Today we're making chicken fajitas, a simple, tasty and fun weeknight dinner. Welcome to our kitchen, where I show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Chicken fajitas are always on recipe rotation at our house. They can be done on the table in 20 minutes, and I know they're going to be devoured by the whole family. I've got the oven heating on its lowest setting, and we're going to start by preparing the vegetables. We've got a red, green and yellow bell pepper that we're going to cut into strips. And we've also got an onion that I'm going to peel and cut into slices. Now I've got the veggies prepped, I'm going to start on the chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts here that I've sliced into strips, and I'm going to sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning and then mix it all together. I'm going to cook everything on a cast iron griddle, but don't worry if you haven't got one, you can just use a frying pan or a skillet. So you want to heat it up over a high heat until it's really nice and hot. We're going to start by lightly toasting the tortillas. Cook them for a minute or 2 on each side until griddle lines appear. I'm toasting 8 tortillas, and once they're cooked I'm going to place them on a plate, cover with some foil and put them in the oven to keep warm. Now we're going to brush the griddle with about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the peppers and the onions to the griddle and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, moving them around every so often until lightly charred. Then remove them from the griddle. Place the chicken on the hot griddle and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until charred all over and no longer pink in the middle. Once the chicken's cooked, plate it up with the peppers and onions. So there we go, that's my quick and easy chicken fajitas. I like to serve it like this so everybody can fill their own tortillas. So we've got the tortillas here, we've got some lime, coriander or cilantro, some avocado, jalapenos, salsa, sour cream and cheese. Delicious. Enjoying that?
Mm-hmm.